Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this air fryer turkey breast. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. We are going to be making about a 4-pound turkey breast in our air fryer. It's perfect for the small Thanksgiving get together that you have, or if you just have your family, you want to make a Thanksgiving dinner. This is the perfect turkey recipe for you. So let's get started. So like I said, I've got about a 4-pound turkey breast here. And what we're gonna do, because this is not going to, I wanted to be able to lay it flat in the air fryer. So what I'm gonna do is pop this bone in here. I'm just gonna cut down in the center. So this is already cut. The backbone is already cut. So I'm gonna take a sharp knife and cut inside through the bone, and it might be hard, but there it went. And then you just pop it. So then you can lay it flat and just push it down and put some weight on it, and it just pops all of those. It's kind of like spatchcocking a chicken, but you're doing a turkey breast. So that way, whenever we go to cook it, we can get all of this skin crispy. So let me wash my hands. Okay, now that we've got that taken care of, we're gonna make the rub. So for our rub, it's going to be 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and we've got a half a teaspoon of dried basil, dried oregano, and dried thyme. So I'm gonna stir all of this together with a pastry brush, or basting brush, whatever you want to call it. And there's our rub. So I'm just going to spread this evenly on our turkey breast, on the skin side of the turkey breast. And now I'm going to flip it, but while I'm doing that, I'm going to put it right into the air fryer because we want to do it skin side down. So now I'm going to use the rest of the rub, and I'm going to do the other side, the inside of the turkey breast, the inside cavity. Okay, we're gonna cook this in the air fryer at 350 degrees for 20 minutes, skin side down. And then after the 20 minutes, we're gonna flip it over, and then we're gonna let it cook for about 30 or 40 minutes longer to get the skin crispy, but you want to cook it until an internal temperature thermometer reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, it's been 20 minutes at 350, so I'm going to flip this over. And try and get it to lay a little flat. As much as you can, push. Okay, that'll work. So now we're gonna put this back in for about 30-45 minutes until an internal temperature thermometer reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, our turkey breast is all done out of the air fryer. It looks fantastic. I just want to show you how crispy the skin is. It looks amazing. It's super juicy. So let's see if we can cut into some of this. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm not gonna win any competitions for my turkey carving. Look at that, it's so juicy. Get a bite. Let me show you how juicy it is. It's so flavorful. This is super delicious. Be sure you check out this recipe. Also, check out this recipe for keto pumpkin cheesecake muffins. You are going to love those as well. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.